In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tensioner pulley on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located in the front of the engine. We're going to remove this cover first. You're just going to pull up on it and set it aside. And now we're going to remove these two airflow tubes. Ours are not correct. Yours should just unhook from here. And right here is another tab where you'd push in and pull this off. Do that for the other side as well. Again, ours is broken. We're going to use a 17mm socket, and we're going to put it right here to take the tension off the belt. Get your socket on. Once you're on, you're going to push down. And we're going to slip the belt off. Release that. And take it right out. You're going to need a punch like this, not very big, a breaker bar, and your 17mm socket. You're going to put your breaker bar all the way down to turn that tensioner up. Hold it there, and then you're going to put your punch in a hole underneath. You can let go of your breaker bar and socket. So after you have your punch in place, we're going to take our E14 socket, or an inverted socket, and we're going to loosen up this bolt and the one on the bottom. But first, I'm just going to break them loose, and then we'll take them out. Remove it. Now we're going to install. And get my bolt started on the bottom. Get that bolt started. I'm using my socket and my extension to do that. I'm not going to tighten it all the way yet. I'm going to do my other bolt first. Make sure it's all lined up. Once you get them started, you can snug them up. Make sure you go back and forth with it so you get it on there flush. Let's torque this to 25 foot-pounds. And same on the other bolt. Now that we're in, we're going to put our breaker bar with our 17mm socket on here. And we're going to release that pin holding it. So push down like you did before, and pull it out. And now release it. And you can take your brake bar off and install your belt. Now we're going to put our belt in. So drop it in, and I'm going to start over by the power steering pump pulley over here. Just let it rest low. And we're going to put it up on the top. It goes right across on the top. Get it on that pulley. And now we're going to go low to that alternator down there. Now we're going to start going up into the water pump, below the idler. Over to that tensioner. Take it off the tensioner, put it around the crank. Now we're going to put our 17 millimeter onto this tensioner. And we're going to go down and slide it onto our tensioner. Before letting go, you're going to make sure the pulleys, you have the belt on the pulley correctly. Give it one final check before you release it completely. You don't want to ruin your belt by putting it on a little off. All right, we're good. Now we're going to install our airflow tubes. Notice where the curve is and line it up accordingly. And then push it onto here. Yours should line up, ours doesn't. Do the same on the other side. There should be 2 clips here. We only have 1. And there should be 2 grommets that fit into these 2 spaces. Line things up. You're going to see 2 slits here that fit into that groove. Like that. Should snap into place. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.